CapCut makes video editing simple and fun, and in this tutorial, I'll show you everything you need to know to start editing like a pro using CapCut. If you ever decide to upgrade to CapCut Pro, you'll unlock even more templates, effects, and tools. Let's jump right in and create your first video. Start by opening CapCut and clicking on the big Create Project button. This opens up the main editing interface. On the left side, you have the Media panel. That's where you'll import your video clips, photos, and music. In the middle, you have the Player window, where you can preview your edits in real time. On the right-hand side is the Details panel, where you can check and adjust your project settings, such as aspect ratio, resolution, and frame rate. And along the bottom of the screen is your timeline. This is where all of your video editing happens. Every cut, transition, and effect will take place here. Let's start by importing your footage. Click inside the Media panel, find your video clips, select them all, and click Open. You'll now see them in your media library. To bring them into your project, either drag the clips down to your timeline or hover over a clip and click the blue plus icon. Once your clips are in the timeline, you can rearrange them in any order you like. If your clips look too small to work with, zoom in on your timeline by holding down Control on your keyboard and scrolling up with your mouse wheel. Scroll down to zoom out again. Now that your footage is in the timeline, let's start trimming. The white vertical line is called the playhead. It shows where you are in your video. Drag it along to scrub through your footage and find the point where you want your clip to start or end. To make a cut, click the split button or press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. Then just select the unwanted part of the clip and hit delete. You can also trim by dragging the ends of your clip inward to shorten it. Another quick way is by using the Q and W keys. Pressing Q removes everything before the playhead, and pressing W removes everything after it. Above your timeline, you'll see a set of editing tools. You have Undo and Redo, Split, Delete, and Marker, which helps you place notes or reference points on your timeline. You'll also find tools like Freeze Frame to create a still image, Reverse to play your clip backwards, Mirror to flip your video, Rotate, and Crop to reframe your footage exactly how you want. Next, let's make your cuts look smoother by adding transitions. Click Transitions at the top of the screen, hover over the available effects to preview them, and then drag one between two clips. Play your video back to see how it looks. If it's too fast or slow, adjust the duration of the transition in the top right corner. Let's fix your framing next. Click on a clip in the timeline, and in the top right panel, adjust the scale slider to zoom in or out. You can also move the clip around by dragging it directly in the player window. Blue lines will appear to help you center your video perfectly. If you want to rotate your clip, just drag the rotation wheel. To create smooth zoom in or pan animations, use keyframes. Click the small diamond next to Transform to add a keyframe at your starting point. Move the playhead forward, change the scale or position, and CapCut will automatically create a smooth animation between those points. If you want to change how fast your video plays, click on Speed. Use the slider to speed up or slow down your footage. You can also set an exact duration in seconds, and CapCut will automatically adjust the playback speed for you. CapCut also allows you to add animations to your clips. Click Animation at the top and choose from In, Out, or Combo effects. These are short motion effects like fades, slides, and zooms that make your clips look more dynamic. Adjust their duration at the bottom of the screen to control how quickly they happen. Now let's make your footage look great. Click Adjust at the top to open color correction tools. You can fine-tune brightness, contrast, saturation, and color temperature to match the mood of your video. If you want a faster way to style your footage, click on Filters. You can drag a filter onto your clip or timeline to instantly apply a color effect. Time to add some music. Click on Audio at the top to open CapCut's free stock music library. Browse through the tracks and preview them by clicking on the album covers. When you find one you like, drag it into your timeline below your clips. This creates a new audio track. You can lower or raise the volume, fade the music in or out, and even use tools to reduce background noise. If your audio peaks too high, shown by red waveforms, just lower the volume until the color returns to normal. If you have a voiceover, you can add it the same way by importing your audio file into your media panel and dragging it into your timeline. With your voiceover in place, let's add captions automatically. Click Captions at the top, choose your language, and click Generate. CapCut's AI will automatically create captions based on your voiceover. Once generated, you can edit any word by clicking directly on it. You can also customize the font, color, size, and animation of your captions from the right-hand panel. If you want your captions to stand out, choose one of the preset styles like yellow text with black outline or use one of the animated caption templates. If you prefer to add your own text manually, go to Text, drag the default text block into your timeline, and type what you want. You can customize it just like captions, change the font, color, alignment, or add animations like typewriter or fade-in. Once your video looks and sounds the way you want, it's time to export it. Click Export in the top right corner. Here you can rename your video, choose where to save it, and select your resolution, frame rate, and quality. You can export in formats like MP4 or MOV, and you can also adjust bitrate and codec if needed. When everything's set, click the blue Export button, and CapCut will render your final video. And that's it. You've just edited your first video in CapCut. You learn how to import clips, trim and split footage, add transitions, keyframes, filters, music, generate captions, and export your final project. CapCut makes editing simple and powerful all in one place. If you want access to more effects, templates, and AI tools, consider upgrading to CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching. I hope this CapCut tutorial helped you learn how to edit videos faster and make them look more professional. If you found it useful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy editing tutorials, tips, and creative tools.